actually never had a sardine before.
You've never had a sardine?
No.
No, they're
Just
really...
go British on me? What's going on, fellow Anteaters? My name is Andrew Beard with Anteater TV, and today we are asking the students of UCI, what are their cooking skills? Let's go find out. How has cooking changed from dorm life to like apartment?
Junior year, that's when I really got like more experimental, started trying new things. I actually made my first pasta sauce by hand my junior year, which was really fun. But it took a while for me to kind of branch out into dang, these are starting to get kind of tasteless, repetitive, and spice things up.
I feel like my first year I used to eat a lot at the Anteatery because I lived in basic course, so it was just really easy for me to go to the Anteatery. And then I feel like third year came in, and then I started cooking and meal prepping.
Do you cook?
Yeah.
You do? What do you like your go-to thing that you cook?
So yeah, I like mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes?
Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes chicken.
Sometimes chicken?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken?
I can't do bacon. It's too
That's what I do.
too rubber.
It's not good when I do it. I need someone to help me. Yeah, that's not good.
I love spaghetti.
I love spaghetti too.
It's so easy.
Spaghetti and
so
pizza.
Good. Spaghetti and pizza. I love it.
How was top ramen introduced to you?
Top ramen. As a freshman, it was a delicacy when taking a break from the dining halls. It was like a delicacy, and now it's more of a, oh shoot, I'm running late, so I should probably grab this and eat it real quick, so I have time to do other stuff.
So probably twice, maybe 3 times a week.
Oh my gosh,
That's
a lot.
Yeah, I know. It's
You're like, if I can't get top ramen, I'll just get spaghetti.
Exactly.
Oh my god.
Because I like to add lemon and tamarindo into it, so it's not just some plain top ramen.
Lemon.
Yeah,
I put eggs in mine.
my
Hold on a
grandma
second.
does that.
Okay, wait, what?
Yeah, my grandma does that.
Puts eggs in it? That's what I do. I don't think I'm doing it right because I just crack them in and it just gets everywhere and I'm like, I don't think I'm doing this right.
If you do an over easy egg and then you put it on top after you put it on,
So you have to make the eggs separate.
it's
That's a pain. I don't want to do that. I just want to. I'm fine with my life.
but
I honestly don't eat top ramen much, but I like the packaged ones, and I'll put some pepper in there, some sardines, shake it up.
Sardines? Alright everyone, well that wraps it up for this week's edition of Ask an Anteater Cooking Edition. We've determined that some people like cooking on their own, some people like Chick-fil-A, and some others love their top ramen.